I've been to Ferguson, St. Louis. I've been to a few Baltimore, a lot of distressed places. I'm looking at Stockton right now. This is a very, very bad situation. One thing we gotta do is work right out the money. Police out here is crazy. You got all your citizens crying out, letting y'all know the struggle, what's going on there. So, it's summertime, when you kill somebody, and your city goes up in flames, don't cry. You know what I'm saying? Don't cry. Don't be up here saying like, oh, we should do this. You got people here telling you right now. People from the community, it's been here since 2011, faithfully. Every city council I've been watching. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, it's a very good time out there right now. You know what I'm saying? We got citizens coming up with going on, we got Mexicans, white people, gang members, and everything, trying to participate in the city process. You know what I'm saying? You don't understand that's big. You're not taking that serious, that's a problem. You know, for people to be servants. And I understand the police got issues and within the department, but giving them $48,000 for furniture? Come on, that don't even make fucking sense. Whoa! That don't even make sense. You're giving police $48,000 for furniture, and they just killed like, let's see, like at least over 20 people in the last 2 years. That's inside, or something, you know what I'm saying? Like, crazy.
So custody.
Alright, my bad, I apologize, because I'm really passionate about what I do. I'm like something else in front of me. I just want everybody to say, I don't want to see the city go up in flames, because this is Stockton, California. I don't think y'all been around the neighborhoods, or y'all like, just stay like in the nice part, but it's like serious, and people are getting harassed. And they got back to us, like, people will come, we will send people to this thing. If nothing somebody else dies, we are not playing no more, it was serious.
The man.
You know what I'm saying? Man, I don't know. This ain't no kids stuff, this ain't like a thread. But like, they got people from other cities who will assimilate. You know what I'm saying? It happened before, y'all know it. Think about it, that happened before. Stockton has been on red alert from outside to come in. You know what I'm saying?
Are you right? We have communication plans.
So I just want to make sure that we're all on the same page, that we can start working together as a community, because it shouldn't be fight. Our fight ain't with y'all, it's with law enforcement. You know what I'm saying? They don't want us killing us. Y'all just allowing it, or like not stopping it, or like funding it. You know, like you gonna go fund the people who share this stuff that's killing us. You know what I'm saying? That's killing like black youth and y'all don't support. So it's like,
Thank you. Gloria Horton.